how to copy and paste. Now we are copying from one document saved previously to a new document. Now first thing you do is to highlight. You highlight that. Maybe let's just stop here. You just at the home menu, you can say copy, or you say ctrl+c. You click. Now you open a new document. You just say power button. You say new. You click new. Blank document. You click and you say create. You can see. Now you just click. Come back to the toolbar, home toolbar. You just say paste and it appears. Now you can always paste more than once. You click. You can paste again. You say paste. It appears twice. You can see you have more than one page.